Alright, HVAC people. So I'm back at that house where the flow switch. Well, I'm sorry. I'm back at the house where the unit was overflowing and we needed a plumber to come out because I think it go into a 2-inch pipe and it was clogged up. So anyway, she did get a plumber out here. I'm finna go find out exactly what happened. But I think they did get a plumber out here to unclog that drain line. So I'm here to install the flow switch. So I got two. Here's one. I think I'm gonna use this one right here. I purchased this one here from Jackson Supply. No, I'm sorry. I purchased this from Baker because I went to Johnstone and they had another style. But mostly all I have stock is these, and of course these aqua guards not going to fit in there. So my first stop was Johnstone, and they don't make, I think that they don't have. Let me show you what I got here. Yeah, so Johnstone, I think it's the SS1 or maybe the SS2. But they used to kind of look like this. But I went on and purchased this, but I think this is going to be too thick to fit in the drain line with the pipe, with my 3/4 PVC pipe going into the 2-inch drain pipe. But hopefully this right here fit, and when that line back up again, I can shut that outside unit off. I may shut the whole unit off, I may shut the outside unit off, but I'm gonna see what's easier. Like I said, I like to break the condenser so they can at least have some type of circulation, and they'll feel, if that 2-inch pipe fill over water again, they're gonna feel it getting warm in there. They call it take technician out or a plumber or something like that. But 9 times out of 10, it's probably gonna be a plumbing issue if that pipe gets stopped up. But let's find out and see what's going on. All right, folks, I think that's all we're gonna need. Drill. Got some wire cutter. Let me get some wire nuts real quick. I don't think these come with wire nuts. Grab some wire nuts.
Came and he snaked the pipe underneath. And he pulled out a piece of another pipe inside of the pipe.
Oh wow!
So like, it must have been like like a shit job, and like part of another pipe fell through basically. He thinks that's the main reason, right? I mean, he continued like snaking it. He's at like 50 feet out, like, you know, he got a little bit pressure at like the turn, but it went straight through. And I mean, like, he pulled it was like yay big maybe pipe like inside of. So I think that's probably a big reason for it, right?
Yeah. How far down was it?
He said it was only like a few feet in.
Okay.
So I mean, like, I don't know when it happened, but maybe like.
But it's been drying firing ever since.
It's been, I mean, knock on wood. And I got one of those just like $20 like Home Depot little sensors that's like plugged to my phone. That will like beep at me. I figured until you came with the kill switch, right? Like it'll just beep at me if it starts overflowing.
Okay, that's smart. We're gonna need to be pointed that way. I'll let them know. Look, he's saying that's the pipe. We're gonna shut the whole unit off. Red going to the transformer. The best hookup, but there's no secondary, so we can't put like no inline flow switch in. I'll let my finger back here. Just testing it out. Unit just shut off. I'm gonna release it. Alright, just came back on. Right. It is flowing. Trying to make sure it doesn't flow on top of my switch and roll down that pipe. Folks, think they're going to give it some kind of defense. All right. So I'm wrapping it up. Can I show you something real quick?
Yeah.
When I came, just remember the arrow should be pointing towards the unit.
Okay.
It was like this.
Got it.
Because the airflow going that way.
Pointing to the unit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I said, you can change them out maybe once every 2 months.
Okay.
Should be good. But that's the switch right here. Let me show you how I got it. See the switch?
Uh-huh.
So it's almost like the toilet flapper that where remember how the balls used to be? But it's a little float ball inside that switch.
So when it hits the float ball, basically?
Switch, it's going to shut the unit off.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you'll be wondering why it's getting warm up in here because that may be the reason right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if it hits the ball, the whole thing will shut off.
Yeah,
basically.
yeah. And like I say,
and in theory, it won't hit the ball unless it's still flowing because the water should just keep draining.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So, like I say, if you're not cooling one day or something, check that and see if it's filling up with water.
Okay.
Like I say, it could be something else why it's not cooling. You know, another mechanical problem could break down.
I mean, I guess I'll know because the AC will be off
yeah,
too,
the AC
right?
will be off. So you open
Is
that
the
up
little thing still down there? The little.
yeah.
Cool. Okay.
Where your
So just in case the switch
the
doesn't
piece you
work.
bought for Home Depot.
Yeah, yeah, the little. It's like
yeah.
a little. I don't even remember what it is. It's like a little circle.
It's a little white circle. I didn't.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's still right there. So.
Perfect.
Yep.
Okay, so in some horrible situation, if the kill switch doesn't engage, I still have the backup too. That will be that thing.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Did you test it out? Does it work? Did you test it before you did?
Test it. No. Should I?
I think you should. What I'm not familiar with them, but let's.
No, I mean it was only like $20.
Yeah, let's put a little water in.
It's pretty cheap and it just runs like you just put my phone. In theory, it's
Yeah.
I guess.
All right. So I'm gonna put it in this little pan.
Okay.
I'm gonna pour water in that pan.
Okay.
Let's see what it does. Yep. It works.
Works.
That's good.
That's good.
Yep, that's pretty cool.
Okay.
Okay, so you get an alert on your phone and the beeps or what? You got an
Um,
alert on your phone?
yeah. Yep. There
Okay,
it is.
okay.
Critical alert.
Critical alert. Okay, cool.
Urgent water leak detected.
Yep. That's a nice little backup. So,
That's awesome. Yeah.
That's all you got to tell. You might go.
You know, like all kinds of ones that's ice and ones that's
Uh-huh.
carbon monoxide. Like, you know, it's just like
Yeah.
section.
Yeah. So, but you got all the electric appliances, right? You got all the electric. I don't think you got any gas, so you might not need.
No, just electric.
Yeah, you don't need
Yeah.
carbon monoxide.
Yeah.
You might want to get one just